In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, we are found quite often thinking about those people who don't like us, who are our opponents, who want to harm us, who don't want us to develop, to move forward, to be happy, to progress, to prosper. We think about those people quite often. Quite often. Is it so? Yes, it is so. Now, as long as we are thinking about these people, we are experiencing mental stress. We remain unhappy. We remain unhappy and we remain unproductive. Unhappiness on the one hand, unproductiveness on the other hand. And because of the mental stress, unproductive means that our time is not being utilized in the activities which can benefit us. Rather, we are found indulging, rather, we are found busy in the thinking which is making us unhappy and unhealthy. Unhealthy and unhappy and unproductive as well. Unhealthy means that our strength is getting weakened as long as we are busy, as long as we remain busy with the thinking about those people who don't like us, who don't want to see us developed. That is the trouble. It is not a small trouble at all. It is the basis of many troubles. It is the first step toward it is an entrance gate toward the multiple other troubles. So we need to get rid of this thinking. Why do we need to get rid of this thinking? Because it harms us. Because it is harming us. It is weakening us. It is weakening us mentally, physically, socially, economically, in every sense. It is easy to understand that it is weakening us mentally and not so difficult to understand that it is weakening us physically as well. It is weakening us socially. This too is not very difficult to understand. But once we are unhappy, not in a good mood, we cannot get engaged positively at a maximum level with other people. That is how it is harming us socially. Plus, we are found busy or we do get engaged when somebody talks negative about someone else, we do get busy in it as well. I think that if someone is not my well wisher, not your well wisher, if somebody don't want us to develop, if somebody don't want us to become a happy human being, if somebody don't want us to become a productive human being, then he she cannot harm us unless and until we do get busy with those people. I and you might say that I'm not busy with those people. I'm not busy with those people. How can you say that I'm busy with those people? I hate to get busy with those people. Yes, we are not busy with those people apparently. But as a matter of fact, we are busy with those people. How? Because we are found thinking about those people. We are busy with those people because we keep thinking quite often about those people. Sometimes we do think a lot about those people. On the one hand, we are thinking about those people. On the other hand, we are thinking negative about those people. You might say that how can I forget them if at all they are not positive with me, if at all they have done something wrong with me? How can I forget them on the one hand, and how can I become a positive person with those people who have tried to avail every opportunity of becoming negative with me? How can I become positive about those people? They, whatever they people did actually, it is because of their ignorance. Whatever they did, whatever negativity they did with you, they they did so because they were ignorant, because they were not having enough knowledge and information how harmful it is for they themselves. They did so because they did not know how bad, how harmful, how unproductive this activity is with themselves. They wanted to harm me, okay, but it is harming, it did harm them as well. It did harm them as well. But because of ignorance, they could not understand. Because of the lack of information, they could not understand it. Because of the lack of the wisdom, they could not understand it. The trouble is that we don't understand it either. This is the trouble. If at all we do have enough knowledge and wisdom that they did harm to themselves as well more than what they did to me. How? Since it is a negative thinking and an unproductive thinking, that is why any negativity, any negative thinking, any unproductive thinking is harmful for those people. Quite clear. It needs a bit of time to make you understand, to make us understand that how harmful, why it is harmful, why it is unproductive for the people who are doing it. And it is not difficult to understand that there will be a court of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on the day of judgment, and anybody who tried or wanted to harm other will be punished, will be taken to task, and they do have to compensate. They do have to give the compensation to the people whom they did the negativity, whom they served with the negativity. This is so. Now, the final point is that they cannot harm us. They cannot harm us unless and until we do get negatively engaged with them. They cannot harm us at all. You might say, I might say, almost all of us do say that I am not negatively involved with those people since I didn't do any harm to them, since I didn't try to do any harm with them. That is why I did not do anything bad with those people. How can you say that I have become negatively involved with those people? Once we are thinking about those people, once we are thinking about those people and thinking without an absolute positivity, thinking with a great deal of positivity, this actually mean that we are doing the harm with ourselves, and this actually mean that we have got negatively engaged with those people, and we have become negative on a reciprocal basis as well. This negativity on a reciprocal basis, I think this is very much injurious to us, this is very much harmful to us. We must try to protect ourselves as soon as possible and as much as possible, because it is very dangerous to us, thinking and thinking too without a good amount of positivity in the hand. We must ignore it, must ignore it, must ignore it. We must become positive, we must become positive, we must become positive. at least for the thinking is concerned. We need to become positive, and we need to stay away from those people. We need to ignore them. We need to ignore them. We need to ignore them. We need to become positive toward them, and we need to become positive toward them, and we need to stay away from those people. It is very necessary. Jazakallah.